Hi guys, welcome to my slideshow. Today we're going to be talking about two different plant species, Lonicera exbella off to your left and Bocara stricta off to your right. And the main takeaway we're going to gather from this presentation is that iridoid glycosides show an increase in concentration when fruits and leaves are stressed in comparison to glucosinolates. So we're comparing secondary metabolites essentially. And from this figure, we can see that iridoid glycosides have a higher concentration than glucosinolates. Both iridoid glycosides and glucosinolates have more percent dry weight in fruits than in leaves. So this is my end result that I gathered from data and calculations, and I had to scale my graph to a log scale so everything could fit and it could make more sense. And we can also see that there is statistical significance. And by knowing these results, scientists and researchers will better understand what signals and cues plant organs, mainly leaves and fruit, respond to, and which secondary metabolites play a role, which can lead to increased defense rates and many other benefits for the plant producing the fruit. So in general, we care more about the reproductive tissue rather than the vegetative tissue. And my paper one data was pulled from this article cited at the bottom, and I used this figure to do my calculations. So using the data from the tissue type and total iridoid glycoside concentration in percent dry weight, I was able to graph my final results by combining the unripe and ripe fruit data together to take into account the total amount concentration, despite how ripe the fruit may be. And my paper 2 data was pulled from this article cited down here. And I was able to use this figure to calculate my data as well. But I had to do a unit conversion from micromole milligram to percent dry weight, which was a bit tricky. But in the end, I was able to do it. And thank you for watching my presentation.